Today we're going to talk about a couple of different ways to make non-dairy, keto-friendly lattes. Oat milk is going to be one of the options we look at, and if you are interested in oat milk and you've heard about it, pay attention. Some of the oat milks have sugar in it, so this full-fat oat milk actually has 7 carbs per serving. So you want to make sure, if you want to stay keto-friendly, to go ahead and get the unsweetened oat milk. The other option is to get a sugar-free non-dairy creamer. Coffee Mate puts out a variety of flavors. I've got coconut here, but there's 5 or 6 sugar-free flavors that you can find, and other brands make them as well. We're going to make both of these at the same time, so you can see a side-by-side comparison between the Coffee Mate and the oat milk. So we're going to make a latte, you use a little bit more milk than you would use with a flat white. One thing to keep in mind, before you pour the oat milk, shake it up really well. It does tend to settle at the bottom. So we're going to fill about here with the oat milk. I like to put a little bit of flavor syrup. This is a sugar-free dulce de leche. I'm going to do 3 pumps. And I'm going to take these over to the microwave and I'm going to heat them up for about 1.5 minutes. All right. So this is a great way to froth milk at home if you don't have a milk steamer, but when it comes to the non-dairy creamers, it actually works better because the actual frothing tends to not work well with the artificial milks. You just put this in here. You can find one of these on Amazon if you don't have one, and just take your time, let it thicken up. The other reason why I prefer this to a milk steamer is that the milk steam actually waters down the milk or whatever it is you're steaming. For this, just adds froth, adds volume. I was surprised at how well oat milk does with this. And there we go. And as you can see, the foam really holds on these very nice. So once we've got the Coffee Mate here, we've got the oat milk here, and we just add a little bit of espresso. And there you have it, keto-friendly non-dairy lattes. If you've enjoyed this or you found it interesting, please go ahead right now and click like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I've got more of these videos coming out soon.